Anthony Weiner has said he'll step down. Now don't get me wrong, lying to the press, tweeting your junk, not very cool, but let's put it in perspective. As a politician, you can destroy foreign peoples with reckless abandon. You can date rape the environment and then smile for the cameras. You can have an illicit affair with the same corporations that stole America's wealth and sold off the collective good, and then stand proudly at the podium accepting an award for it. You can stick a cigar in an intern or a missile up a Pakistani wedding ceremony. You can bomb Libya without approval because it doesn't count as a war, or make laws that reach inside women across the country. You can piss all over working people and fart in the face of the elderly needing health care and still hold your chin up high and get a rest stop named after yourself in your own hometown. But, if you post a tweet of your body, you must resign because the American people can no longer trust you to represent them. You have wronged the country in such an egregious manner that you should run away in disgrace. On the other hand, being immoral, being unethical, that's just good business in American Congress. You know, that's true, that's their true pornography. Have you approved the bombing of a school somewhere? No? Then you haven't lived. Have you ever helped get a food preservative authorized that studies have shown could cause cancer and gigantism, and in some cases, gigantic cancerism? No? That's a true adrenaline rush. Skydiving is for pussies. Want to be a real thrill seeker? Bring about a military coup in a South American country. What a rush! Again, don't get me wrong, Weiner should resign, but not because he's an immoral individual. He should resign because he's a loser. Tweeting your naughty bits is not the way to a woman's heart, Anthony. It's really not. Anyway, that's your moment of clarity, and I'm Lee Camp. Check out leecamp.net.
We got no plans at all. Evil man's always transcending. Follow like sheep, swallow everything. Always simpletons or pretending. We got no plans at all. Evil man's always transcending.